Greetings everyone, I'm PhD candidate from University Technology Malaysia. So today I will present a conceptual paper with the title of Conceptualizing Economic Factors to Ecological Fashion Adoption Intention, Recycling Intention Behavior as Mediators. First of all, I'll give a brief introduction to global clothing consumption and also ecological fashion. According to the Ellen MacArthur Foundation in 2017 and the Conscious Club 2019, at least 60% of consumption in the global textile industry is clothing. And fashion is account for between 3 to 8% of total greenhouse gases emission worldwide. This data is from the State of Fashion 2024. Brands are putting efforts into ecological fashion. H&M pledged to utilize 100% of ecological or recycled materials by 2030, while Zara joining promise to achieve 100% sustainable textile by 2025. So why all focus on ecological fashion? So what is ecological fashion? Ecological fashion can be defined as the clothing that causes few or no environmental or social impacts, ethically produced through ecological manufacturing system, and designed to extend the lifespan of utilization. Dependent variables proposed by the conceptual paper is ecological fashion adoption intention of consumers. Rahman explained that fashion adoption is the extent to of consumers accept a prevailing fashion style in a specific time frame. Therefore, ecological fashion adoption intention refers to the actual adoption behavior of ecological fashion. Independent variables proposed by the conceptual paper is economic factors. Economic factors assume that people's adoption decisions are grounded on cost-benefit analysis, including price, risk, and product knowledge dimensions. Studies found that the consumer is willing to pay more for ecological clothing if it is good in quality and manufactured in sustainable way. Recycling intention behavior is proposed as mediators. Past studies stated that global recycling activities have been promoted as it is an effective way of dealing with waste overloaded landfills. Clothcares Malaysia have conducted a research and reveals that 81% of Malaysians have sustainable behavior during disposal of clothing. A conceptual framework is developed to illustrate the potential of the economic factors in understanding the ecological fashion adoption intention and recycling intention behavior as a mediator. In conclusion, the fashion industry is an essential part of a person's lifestyle in communicating an individual personality. Fashion is currently growing swiftly aligned with economic globalization. However, the rising of consumers' consciousness on ecological fashion also led to change in adopting ecological fashion. Therefore, a conceptual framework is illustrated allows fashion practitioners develop a better understanding of economic factors influences on consumers, intended to adopt ecological fashion while knowing how recycling intention behavior mediate the relationship. That's all for my presentation. Thank you.